Hi guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to delete Instagram messages from both sides. So let's hop onto Instagram and let's go to your messages at the right top, click on it and just click on someone you have a conversation with. For example, this one, it says, hey, are you back? Hey, yes, I am. So if you think like, oh shit, I shouldn't have said that, just click on your message for a longer period of time and then you see three options here: reply, unsend and more. Just click on unsend and you can do this as well here. And now if they haven't been online in the meantime, they won't see anything you have said, so they won't know you have deleted messages. So unfortunately, there's no way to delete a message you have received. So in this message from hey, are you back? You can't delete it. So if I'm clicking on it, I can reply and report it and on more, forward, save and copy, but I can't do anything else. So I hope this helps. And if you have any questions, please let me know.